Yurt. What up, YouTube? It's your boy PeleTele, and I'm back with another video. And this video is a video that I'm doing in relation to the foreign exchange market. And today is Friday, January 8th. Okay, this is a trade. I'm just going to be going over a quick trade that I took that happened in pre-London, which is about in my time, as you can see the flag. That's about like 1 a.m. I think I took it around 1:30. You know, it's like it was a nice quick little setup that I saw that I just couldn't pass up because I was like, yo, the trade is doing what I look for in trades. It broke out. It's doing the retest right before the London push or volume entering, and I got in. You know what I'm saying? So enough talking. Let me just show you how I got what I did. Let's hop onto the charts. Okay, so like I said, it was around. I keep looking at the camera. It was around like here, which is like 1 o'clock, right? It's like 1 o'clock. See, it's 12. Actually, it's 12 o'clock. I think that's 12 o'clock. I know what happened around here. But I remember being like 1 o'clock because I was up this time and I was talking to one of my boys. So I think it's like, yeah, around here. If we go on the 5 minutes, you can see it much better. Okay, so what I was looking at was this basically. I saw price broke out, right? Price is breaking out heavy. Pushing, 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 pushing. Pushing, pushing. And I was like, you know what? Let me get a trade into here. And that's what I did. Let me see if I can get the levels for you guys actually. 14111 Yeah, that's what it was. And I obviously I had this below here. Well, I had it below here. Right? See, that's a 1.89 per trade, right? So this is what I saw. So price. Oh man. Like I said, I didn't enter it until like, you know, like 1 o'clock something. So I saw all of this happening, right? I saw let's go out here. So I'm sitting on talking with my boy G, and yeah, I see this price start to push because all through Asian session, as you can see, price just consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Asian session is like, so this the end of day 17 o'clock. Asian session is like from here all the way up to here, right? And then, bam, 12 o'clock close, price pushes right here, right? I see that. Now, usually before I would have been, oh shit, I gotta get in, gotta get in, gotta in, gotta get in, gotta get in, oh my god, gotta get in, gotta get in, gotta get in, right? Like, no, 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 no. 2021, we off that. We on to being disciplined and waiting for our setups, right? So, let me ask you a question. So, if there's a breakout trade, what do? Do you A, just hit market execution, B, wait and see what happens, wait for the retest, and make sure to confirm the breakout, to confirm the upward move, or C, you place a buy limit like around here, right? What's your options? Okay. So if you said anything other than B, which is wait for a retest, your trading career probably won't last that long because unless you're like really good at exiting, like scalping, but you gotta wait for the retest, bro. Because I've seen plenty times where trades have went like this. They break out like this. You see them coming back thinking it's retest. Come. You think they come in here? They do a little push and pew, died. Just straight died, you know? And to be able to not fall for those things, it's nice to wait for the retest. You know what I'm saying? Or put a buy stop, right? But I like to put the buy stop even before the breakout because you see price constricting. You could put it the buy stop like before all of this. Probably put it like about here or something, right? we could have almost get away with that, right? And then wait, because you price constricting so much, and then we was in an uptrend all week, right? So you're saying, okay, price, if it break out, there's a high probability it's gonna break out upwards because price has been bullish all week, right? So that's another option you could do, but you also must be wary because that, like I said, that initial push, if it doesn't tap your take profit on the retest or the fake out part of it, it could really knock you out. You feel me? So that's why I like to wait for the break and retest to like basically reaffirm to myself that okay, price broke out bullish in a bullish manner. As you can see here, price broke in a bullish manner, and it found support, which tells me that sellers came to try and push it back down, or people was taking breakout traders were taking their profits, so price is coming back down, or price is grabbing more liquidity, however like way you want to look at it. And then it found support and buyers re-entered the market. So now buyers maintaining control, and it's showing that this price is a movement. It's a price movement that want to continue to increase or go higher. Okay, so that's just my philosophy and why I like to take trades from, if I'm buying, usually from when price found support, and if I'm selling, usually when price found resistance, aka higher lows or lower highs. Okay. So now that we have that, let's continue. Let's press play and see how it plays out. So, bam, price did that. See, price started to come down. I'm watching this. I'm like, okay, I didn't miss it. And then the time too. Like, I don't really like trading around this time. I prefer to trade usually around 2. Maybe I catch around 1 something, but I prefer 2 to 3. So yeah, price come down, made the retest. Same way, let's say we entered there, right? I still think, if I remember correctly, before I fell asleep, because I took this trade and I fell asleep. I set my levels and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just let price do what it has to do, right? So I let it ride. You see what my stop loss is? I let it ride. So I just let it play out, and yeah. So let's see. Let's watch. Bam! Look at that. Price said bye bye, right? So I'm chilling around this time. I'm probably like sleeping, right? Sleeping. Let's go. I'm sleeping. 2 o'clock. I'm sleeping, for sure. For sure, I'm sleeping. Well, not for sure actually, but I was in and out of sleep because I don't remember seeing this moving like this. All I know is I was in profit, and yeah. I think at this point I might have put my stop up here, or at least to break even, because I was like, I'm not losing the trade on Friday, so that's another thing I did. I know I usually do that. And bam, TP clapped. The time's a bit off, but I know for sure the reason why I got into this trade and why I took this trade and why I was confident in taking this trade is literally because of what happened here. Okay, price was in an uptrend all week, as I said, right? As I'll show you. Another just a quick way to tell is if you was to look at this chart, right, from left to right, just how we read everything in life, right? It's going up. What the hell? If you use to read this chart, everything's going up. It's moving in an upward direction, right? So that means price is bullish on the 15-minute chart. And you can see that same thing as you go throughout the charts, right? All week price has been bullish. All week, right? So now, this is what's happening, right? So I'm sitting there, I'm looking at this. I already got my trade up here in here. Price consolidating all London session. I'm just chilling, always got the charts open, watching it. This in the corner of my eye, And then so I see, like I said, Asian session or pre-London session started to come to a head, and I see price did this right here. Right there. I'm like, oh, okay. That's a lot more movement that we didn't have, because as you can see, for hours price just was consolidating, right? And so we closed very bullishly above this area right here. I make sure I mark this area because this is the point of resistance. Okay, and then so as that happened, and I'm seeing that, I'm like, that's not meant to happen. And I said, okay, the only way I'm gonna get into this trade is if it gives me a retest and then it goes up. So I started to monitor the trade after I saw this, and that's when I dropped to my lower time frames. Okay, because the 30-minute then gave me what I wanted to see. Now I want to zoom in a bit closer on the 15-minute and the 5-minute to see how those candles are forming. Okay, so bam, you get that. You start to get the retest. Right? And then this occurred. That's okay. Price seems to be finding a good support, right? And then the next one, between the 5-minute and the 15-minute, 5-minute gives you a way more beautiful look. As you can see, it did all this, played around, and you can see from these candles right here, price was finding support, right? Bounced, failed to close below, bounce, push, engulfing right here. Biggest candle of the whole lot, engulfed, made a new high, right? So those are all nice things to see off support in a bullish trend, in a market that's about to get momentum. You know what I'm saying? So all these are good signs. It's just building up, in building up your argument for bulls to continue in the market, right? So I see all that. Like I said, and I put my buy stop. To be honest, I put my buy stop, and then because it was down here, I put it like around here, obviously, and then price entered me, pause, into the trade, and that's how I took it. Simple trade. Only trade I took yesterday, well today too, and I took this in the morning. Woke up to my 140, closed, and I was on my way in the airport, coming back home to the Bahamas. So this is the type of trading I want to do more often. You know what I'm saying? Simple. I'm not second guessing. It's just a clean cut trade, straight to the take profit, straight to the next zone. And yeah, like my goal is to just basically like just capitalize on trades like this, because this was a stress-free trade. This was a trade that it was textbook, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? If I could take simple trades like this and just pay. This week, I'll tell you one thing. I was very patient. this week. And that's something I want to take into next week, and to the next week, and to the next month. You feel me? Because that's a good sign that I'm liking to see. Even with my trades, I'm allowing it to like play out. You feel me? I'm not too quick to like want to close it or something at the minute I get in some profit. So, and because when I do that, I shortchange myself. You know what I'm saying? Because I would tend to let a loser run and then be quick to let a profitable trade not run as far because I'm thinking I'm about to lose money. And that's not good, because your winners supposed to outdo your losers and make up for your losers. You feel me? That's the whole principle of trading. The whole principle of trading is you could not have a winning percentage and still be a profitable trader. You feel me? So that's something you gotta like get over. Like stop closing your winning trades out early. Be selfish with your losers and let your winners run. That's something else. That's another mantra.
Thanks for tuning in. 2021. There's gonna be a lot more videos like this.
Yeah, man, I've been talking about way too long.
I'm about to post a lot more trading videos, man. Like every time I take a trade, and if it closes in profit or a loss or break even, that same day, I'm gonna do a video breakdown of the trade. Because why? This channel isn't me trying to like be a guru to you guys, a forex guru. No, I'm using my YouTube channel to document my trading journey. You feel me? And I know there's a lot of traders out there that's probably on the same type of journey as me, and there's a lot of people out there who act like gurus, and there's not really a lot of profiles or social media or trading accounts that basically just show like the nitty gritty, like average trader that's like still trying to make it. You feel me? And that's me. So I feel like why not just document the whole process while also keeping me honest and making sure I journal my trades, go over my trades and everything, you know what I'm saying? So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button, because that's what this series is going to be, and that's what a lot of content on this channel is going to be, me and my trading journey, you feel me, in 2021. Okay, so let's go. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and give a thumbs up for your boy, and let's go. Let's join this trading journey.